Installing WordPress via XAMPP is a longer and a bit confusing process. So, here is video in which you will learn how to install WordPress locally in a few minutes. Hello everyone, and welcome to Techno Vidia. In this video, you are going to learn how to install WordPress locally on our personal computer. The whole procedure is divided among the two steps: downloading the Bitnami WordPress and installing the WordPress. So, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, write Bitnami WordPress. Open up the official website, named bitnami.com, given in the first. Click on the button for Bitnami WordPress for Windows, Linux, or Mac. Now scroll down the page, and you will see the download button. Click on the button. Scroll down and click on Option. No thanks, take me to the download. Now we have downloaded the required software. Next step is to install the software. Open up the file that we have just downloaded. Click on OK. Click on Next. Again, click on Next. Once again, Next. Here is the page where we need to enter the login details of our local WordPress website. Enter the name of your choice. In the next tab, write down the email address. And finally, the username and password of your will. Keep this username and password in your mind, as it will be needed to log in your local WordPress website. Once you are done with this, click Next. Give the name of your local site. Now keep clicking Next until the installation starts. The installation process can take some time. Be patient. In my case, I am fast-forwarding the video. Once installation completed, here is the final page. Click on Finish. It opens up a new web page. Click on the Access WordPress. Here is your WordPress website. Now extend your site URL with the WP admin in the end and hit Enter on your keyboard. Enter your login details and click Login. Here is the dashboard of your website. Now, you can make changes and customization as per your need. Bookmark this URL to get access to your local website. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.